is everybody's present. Wait, he's not even paying attention. Connor, look. You want to open this present?
We have to open it together.
You want to help Derek open the present, Connor?
Where's that one?
The family gift.
How do we open
Adam,
it? How do we open it?
baby.
What?
You want to help open it?
Connor. No, he doesn't want to help.
I see that. All right, go ahead and open it, Derek.
Okay, now that. Oh yeah, I know what this is.
What is it?
It's an Xbox.
No.
Well, that's close.
But it's similar. It's called a Wii.
This time.
Here, let Connor open that one. Connor, look. You open that one? That one's for everybody. That one's for everybody
Yep.
in my family.
Yeah, we're supposed to share this. It's for mine. It's mine too. I know. See that? Awesome. It's a fish card, but you use it. And then for that. What is this?
This is called a Wii. It's a game play. If you play games with it.
Oh, this is a game for that Wii right there.
He got me.
I do these little.
All of it.
Daddy, you pressed this button.
Looks like everything worked out well with those.
I would say so. It would have worked out whichever way you did.
Yeah.
Look, this was it.
Would you guys like to open another one? Open that.
It's mine.
It is yours.
Metal.
Turn around.
Turn around.
I got a metal cutter.
That'll
Would you like
present.
to open this one, Connor?
I got a metal one too. You should feel it. It's not gonna rip. Okay. What kind of paper did you use?
Paper that doesn't rip, apparently.
I must have done that one. I taped them good.
God.
Made them too tight.
This way. There we go. Go ahead. You do it.
What
Let me
is
just get
this?
started. Those are magnet creations.
What do you do with those?
These are magnets, and you make pictures with it. You can make
What you got?
So you can move the pictures all around, make different
I
pictures
got
over and over.
a phone.
You got your own phone?
It's your own phone.
It's a toy phone. You got a phone.
Awesome.
We're gonna put this.
Who you gonna call?
Well, I think I'll have to put it.
Put it in your pocket.
Connor. Connor, who you gonna call with that?
Oh, that phone's a lot like.
We could use a Jedi about now.
You got me. Who you gonna call with that?
What?
Ghostbusters. Oh.
Here. Mine, you got the next one.
That one for me?
No, this one's for Connor. This one's for you.
Oh, that's me.
Turn around.
I do.
Turn around.
I did?
Yeah, turn around.
No, it was these.
Connor.
You think so?
It's hot, guys.
It's got Hulk in it.
Connor, I got Hulk.
Open right here.
I got a Hulk guy. I told you that Papa would love it if he was the one opening this one.
You bet it. Better believe it. What you got? What you got?
Another door. Get. I got it. I
Son,
got the Batman. Dad, you got a Spider-Man guys, but I got Hulk guys. Son, you got Spider-Man guys. Oh, look. You got the car I have. I have that car too.
Oh, one you got.
Connor, look. I got Hulk guys, and you've got Spider-Man guys. See?
Daddy's right there. You know where they can get him out.
Just put them over there and finish opening them, then we'll open up everything.
I'm gonna name now. Zachary, Derek, what's for Zachary? What's for me? I'm pretty sure it's closed. I got Iron. I'm pretty sure it's closed. I can feel it.
Connor, you want to open this?
That's a little one. Awesome. I want to wear one of these.
You want to wear your Angry Bird pajamas? Hey, Connor, you going to open it?
Mommy, can I wear one of these?
Daddy's gonna get it open. He'll give it to you when he gets it open.
Mommy,